Using T-Cloud for backup and storage. TickTalk 5 provides 1 GB of free cloud storage. Back up regularly to protect your photos, messages, and settings. Before you back up your TickTalk 5, ensure your watch is online, has at least 50% battery life, and connected to Wi-Fi. T-Cloud lets you sync data between old and new TickTalk watches for smooth transitions, or restore data following a reset. To back up from the watch, go to your watch settings and select Back Up. Besides backing up on the watch, you can also back up through the TickTalk app. Just go to Parent Portal and select T-Cloud. It encrypts and uploads data like photos, videos, settings, and messages, up to 1 GB. You also have 4 options to sync data from T-Cloud. Sync from last backup recovers your watch to the latest backup. The third option transfers data and settings from an old TickTalk, ideal for quick transfers to a new watch. The fourth option transfers old TickTalk data, requiring new watch settings entered manually. The last option syncs existing TickTalk app data, like contacts and settings, to new watches, ideal for families with multiple TickTalks. Let's try syncing data with a new TickTalk watch. Click Submit and select the watch you would like to sync from. This sync option transfers all backed up data from the old watch to the new watch and clears data on the old watch. Choose Reset after sync if you won't be using the old TickTalk watch again. When the sync begins, ensure both old and new watches are online and connected to Wi-Fi for stable data transfer. Avoid turning off the watches or performing other actions during data upload or download.